and welcome to this edition of Garrington's National Market Review, where we share some of the highlights from our latest research. In what was another busy year for the property market, we reflect on how the year ended and some of the trends we are likely to see emerge over the coming months, which will shape the market in 2022. While COVID-19 circled overhead, the economy proved more resilient than many anticipated, and 2021 proved yet again that the property market can defy expectations. Undoubtedly aided by the government's stamp duty incentives, last year proved the busiest housing market since the global financial crisis. An estimated 1.5 million sales were completed, with both Halifax and Nationwide reporting property price growth ending the year at its strongest level in over 15 years. Mortgage approvals in the 11 months to November were running 27% higher than their long-term average, albeit approvals in October and November were just 6% higher. Following the flight of equity from the capital witnessed in 2020, activity has returned to London, with market conditions across prime central areas at their busiest since 2015, according to Lunres. Market activity so far this year has been brisk and demand continues to exceed supply, but there are some tentative signs that the tide is turning, with many forecasters expecting a closer demand-supply balance in the second half of the year. As with every year, a suite of factors will determine how the housing market navigates its path in 2022. For the first time in over 3 years, in a bid to calm inflation, the Bank of England raised interest rates in December. Although rates remain historically low, further rises are anticipated. As and when these happen, and the interplay between these and inflation, currently running at a 10-year high, will be closely monitored. Household affordability will be stretched by rising costs and static wage growth in real terms, impacting household incomes. For property purchases from Europe and the US, the value of sterling remains competitive, although against Middle Eastern and Asian currencies, the days of discounts are limited. With price growth anticipated across prime areas in 2022, this may well inject pace for those looking to purchase real estate here. All expectations are that the property market in 2022 will be calmer. A consensus of independent forecasts is predicting price growth will moderate back to 3.9% over the course of 2022. Prime central London is anticipated to outperform, and growth on par with the mass market is predicted for prime regional markets, which consistently outperformed last year. While some buyers know exactly where they want to move to this year, increasing numbers of buyers find themselves able to consider more locations, brought about by the seismic shift in flexible working arrangements and digital technologies. To assist such purchases, Garrington's annual Best Places to Live league table ranks nearly 1,400 cities, towns and villages across England and Wales, according to 4 criteria. These include natural beauty, architectural beauty, quality of life, and environmental credentials. If you'd like to see our video outlining the full results, please click on the link on screen now. Or if you'd like to see how different locations performed around the country, we have a location search tool on our website, which you can access from using the link below. We hope you found this video interesting, and if you'd like further information about our property finder services, please do get in touch. Thank you for watching.